In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in CashNow app. So first of all, launch open CashNow application. You can see over here CashNow application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to log into the CashNow app, what you have to do is enter your UAE mobile number over here. Tap on the field of mobile number. Now enter the mobile number. Now after you do so, tap on this option login or register that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Simply enter the verification code over here. After that, tap on the next option and you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into the CashNow app. So that is how you log in CashNow app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.